is relay. I can't hear you. So as you can see here, there are a bunch of poles scattered and there's some rain clouds. So your goal is to set up the tent. Make sure that the tent is up. Then you have to fit every single member of your group inside the tent. And then once David or Greg checks you off, you guys are good to break down your tent and they have to wrap it up. Only one person can step outside of this blue line to receive items. So, also, when you get the pole, please run back like this. First team who has all their poles and their tent wrap up. Oh, and put the tent back in the orange circle wins. You guys have 5 minutes to discuss your strategy.
What's the strategy looking like over here? Go for the farther things first. Team captain, we got any strategy ideas? We're just going with that.
Can't tell them.
We're keeping them secret. Team Luke, what strategies we got going on over here?
Put Eli in the front. He's our team captain. We did.
I thought you were the team captain.
Well, no.
Or were you so embarrassed about your performance in the last Slice episode that you're deciding you don't want to be team captain?
I'm team captain, but I didn't use my emote for like my team's captain. Like I'm team captain, he's my team's captain. He's the captain of my team captain.
So you're trying to keep the title of captain without actually doing the work. So what is your guys' actual strategy?
Younger kids grab the poles and stuff, and then they build. Yeah.
Okay, that's actually a legit strategy. Thank you.
All right. Your judges, ready? Any Greg? Good? All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Chase, what did Landon do?
Now you guys can go back.
He lost so much time from that. Someone's got good communication.
Oh, wait, clip it.
Someone's got to get in the middle and click the middle one.
Okay.
Guys, you gotta get a rain fly.
Rain fly's not on. It doesn't count yet.
Greg, what do I still need to do?
They're missing 2 sets of poles. I guess 1 set. And they gotta put a rain fly.
How are they doing, Noah?
Pretty good.
Rainfly's coming up.
Put 'em on.
They actually have all their poles set up.
That we're gonna win because we're just better, you know?
You sure about that?
What?
Oh yeah, team.
Are all the things clipped in? Move it, Luke. Open the door. Hustle.
Is that it?
How are you guys struggling to open a door?
Oh my gosh,
Teddy, get in the tent. Eli's in, Nolan's in, Michael's in. You guys are throwing the tent around. Alex is coming in. Lou's going in. It's neck and neck. What's up, guys?
Oh, look at the door.
It's at the door, Nolan. Hurry, hurry. These guys are hustling over here. Their tent's already down. Poles are coming apart. Go, Dean. Dean's got a rhythm going here. All right, slow down. It's a zipper.
Zip it up.
I'm sure
I'm trying to, dude.
I'm sure you've done these on your pants before.
Of course he does it.
There we go, Alex. You guys are moving. Look at this. It's really close. You guys are a little behind right now. Not by much. Go for it, Michael. Let's go, let's go. Pack up the tent, pack up the tent.
It was over here, but I think it might be inside of the rainfly right now.
Oh, there are bags in the rainfly? Did you just say that?
Yeah, I think the bag's in the rainfly.
Find the bag. Alex found the bag. Do you guys have a bag for your tent?
Yes.
Where is it?
Folding has to be elite.
Elite folding.
Elite folding.
But roll it tight.
Hurry, hurry. It's got to go in the bag. It's got to go in the bag. Move it. They're putting their tent in the bag. They're actively putting the tent in the bag. You guys got to go.
A little stretch, guys.
It's got to be in the bag and in the orange circle. Hustle, hustle, hustle. What are you guys doing? This is a very interesting tent folding strategy.
Luke, you're showing us.
You guys got to fold it with the poles. They have to start over the folding. Not going very well over here. It's stalling, it's stalling. No, not yet. The bag's not closed. They have to start the folding over. And they're still struggling with the bag. You guys are still folding over here.
Well, at least we're getting it in the bag.
Start over then. Work quick. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Get it in the orange circle. In the orange circle, Teddy. Didn't Luke say you were the team captain?
No, you said you were team captain, I'm just assistant.
Luke, is this allegation correct? Eli said you were the team captain, he's just the assistant. He's choosing to ignore me. And these guys are still trying to get the tent in the bag.
Whoa.
There we go, get the tent in the bag.
Guys, you can still win this, don't worry.
You can definitely still win. They cannot still win.
No, we can close.
What?
Eli, go. Go get the other side.
Go for it, Eli.